Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 47, effective until 11 p.m.
Wow.
This watch includes the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Not all my
Damaging
videos.
winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA's All Hazards Radio, station KWO 35 in New York.
We have neighbors.
Hey.
Turn it off.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County, northern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bloomsbury, or 11 miles southeast of Easton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Florham Park, East Hanover, Hackettstown, Chatham, Boonton, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, High Bridge, Litcombe, Clinton, Peapeck and Gladstone, and Oxford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Tonight, showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms.
This is your last warning. I want one radio on and the rest off. No volume.
Inlet, New Jersey, until
You have to
11:15
hear
p.m.
me.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, outer waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 11 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Silverton, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seagirt Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Manasquan, and
Oh, double header!
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:57 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Eastchester Bay, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
But actually, first warning issued by New York.
Briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Execution Rocks, Hempstead Harbor, and Mamaroneck Harbor around 10:05 p.m. Oyster Bay, Captain Harbor, and Stanford Harbor around 10:10 p.m. Huntington Bay around 10:15 p.m.
Ouch.
Long Neck Point around
They
10:05
canceled the severe
p.m.
thunderstorm warning.
34 knots, lightning, and brief heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Severe thunderstorm watch number 47 has been Thursday through Thursday afternoon. for tonight. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for central Long Island Sound until 11:15 p.m. At 10:24 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Norwalk Islands, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Petfield Reef and Stratford Shoal around 10:30 p.m. Bridgeport and mouth of the Housatonic River around 10:35 p.m. New Haven Harbor and the Thimbles around at 10:50 p.m. Wind gusts around 34 knots, lightning, and brief heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The special marine warning.
Bro.
New York Harbor until 12:30 a.m. At 11:54 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Lower New York Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Upper New York Harbor around midnight. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
For mom's sake, turn that shit off, Leo. You're driving me fucking